guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another suggested video. So I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to Ricky Vallen, One Moment in Time, PASSAGEM DE SOM, PROGRAMA RAUL GIL, Shadow Brazil 2. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start.
The best of me, I want and want, but not alone. My fight each day isn't yet unknown. I broke my heart for every year to taste that's the way I face the rain. Much remains.
Wow.
I want one moment in time.
Wow, very nice song, very nice voice. I love it.
When I'm only all I could be. When all of my dreams are been away. And the answer I'm all up to me. Give me one moment in time. When I'm raising the dust of me. And in that one moment of time, I will
Wow, he's amazing. He got very nice voice. I love it.
I need to be that very best. I want it all. No time for less. I laid that land. Now laid a chance here in my hand. Give me one moment in time. When I'm all I could be. When all of my dreams and heart been away. And the answer I'm all up to me. Give me one moment in time. When I'm waiting the dust of me. In that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. Going upward, is this is that one moment in
Oh my God, I'm not expecting that. He is amazing. I just enjoyed watching him and listening to his very nice voice.
Give me one moment
That is another amazing performance of him. OMG. He got amazing voice. I love this song. I really enjoyed watching him. So I would like to say thank you so much to the person who suggests this one. This is totally amazing. He is so talented. He got very good voice. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestions, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.